guys, good morning, good morning. Ito guys, day 2.
They like our company, guys.
Yeah.
Lots of this anyway.
Yeah,
Especially when we go to Victoria.
yeah, exactly.
With them all the time.
Day 2 guys, ng aming tour ngayon. Pero dito lang kami guys sa sa Vancouver, no? At ito, siyempre kasama natin. Oh, guys. Kasama natin ulit si Dog. Yun. At kami mag-ano muna rito guys. Magkakape muna. Habang hinihintay namin yung mga kliyente natin, mga guests natin. What you want? Dog?
No,
No.
you just have like
What you want? No, I don't want it. I want only coffee.
Are you
For me.
okay?
Yeah, for me. Only coffee. Magdaraan nila guys, oh. Okay. Kurusat nila, oh.
Sure. I wonder if I could get an Americano medium size with another one. And then my
Just only cappuccino for me.
that's for you, right? Sure. And then my buddy here, my little brother. I'll probably get a I don't know, what do you recommend? Probably cinnamon.
These cinnamon rolls are pretty good.
Yeah.
They're a little bit crispy, buttery. This one's a bit like gooier, stickier.
Yeah, stick here,
If you
yeah.
want something like smaller, our muffins are really good.
Yeah.
Those.
Blueberry something or other.
Blueberry's really good.
Yeah, sure, I'll have one of those too. And I don't know, my little brother here might want some.
Just only
You know, I'm teaching to speak English. So
Yes,
yeah, it's
awesome.
difficult. But
the ice caramel macchiato.
Ice cream macchiato.
Yeah.
Medium size?
Yeah, medium one.
Yeah. Do you want to warm up your muffin?
Hey. So guys, grabe. Sobrang busy rito sa dito sa Vancouver at na nga. Medyo na-late nga kami ng kaunti. No. Di namin na-expect na sobrang traffic pala pag ganitong oras dito sa sa Vancouver. No, grabe. Sobrang traffic. Biri mo, umalis kami ng ilang oras ba? 6. Tapos dumating kami dito 8:30. Medyo nakakaya rin. Pero okay lang naman. Mabait naman yung natin, mga bisita natin. At least medyo naiintindihan naman nila. Pakita ko sa inyo labas ito. Yan. So dito kasi guys sa Vancouver, parang parang same lang din sa Pilipinas na talagang ang pasokan nila is 8 o 9 ng umaga. Kaya pagka ganyang mga oras, talagang rush hour yan. Tapos sa hapon naman, so siguro mga 3, 4, 5 yan. Talagang pagka ganyang oras, talagang sobrang daming mapasok, umuwi. Yan, rush hour talaga. Grabe. Lamig. Malamig na, malamig pa rin ang iniinom. Hey. Morning. Hey.